Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you my review of the Acer Nitro 17. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the Acer Nitro 17 is the latest and largest of the Nitro series from Acer's gaming laptop lineup, and it has the potential to be one of the best price to performance laptops out right now. At around $1,000 or just more than that, the Nitro 17 offers a large display, the latest AMD Ryzen CPUs, and the RTX 40 series GPUs. The model in this video here is the RTX 4060 one, priced in at around $1,200 on Amazon, and I'll have the link for it in the description for you to check it out. In this review, we'll be going through the main components of the laptop, including its design and build, port selection and input, keyboard and trackpad, sound, display, performance, thermals, and finally end with the battery life of the laptop. So first up is the build quality of the Acer Nitro 17, and it seems to be a big change from the previous iterations of the Nitro laptops. This time, you get an even more gamer-oriented design, with the back having a unique pattern, and the display lifting up from the base with a space in the middle. The design is still quite simple, with the front being on the cleaner side. The laptop is completely made of plastic though, which doesn't give it that premium edge from metal laptops, but it's still sturdy. The case doesn't flex, bend or have any creaking noises when pressure is applied, and everything seems neatly put together. At the same time, the laptop is heavy and really big. Even among other 17-inch machines, it's hard to find another model that is thicker. Its thickness is around 1.1 inch and it weighs in at around 3 kilos, making it look like a beast of a machine when you're using it. It certainly is beefy and is what you would expect on a 17-inch laptop, making it not as portable, and you certainly feel the weight of it in your backpack. Overall, it's built sturdy, but the size of it really holds it back even among other 17-inch gaming laptops. The port selection and input here include 3 USB 3 Type A ports, 2 USB-C ports, one of which is a Thunderbolt 4 port. Along with that, you also get a full-sized HDMI port, an Ethernet port, a micro SD card slot, a headphone microphone combo jack, a Kensington security lock, and a separate power port. This basically includes everything you would need on a power machine, with a micro SD card slot being a big bonus that you don't get to see much these days. You also get Wi-Fi 6E and a webcam that is mostly usable for video calls, meetings, and more undemanding tasks like this. The keyboard and trackpad on the laptop are solid too. You get a full-size chiclet keyboard here with a number pad, and the keyboard also has full RGB along with good clicky keys. The trackpad is about average, since even though it is big, the accuracy isn't up to par with other laptops, and I'd probably recommend you to use a mouse with this if you can. The speakers on the Acer Nitro 17 do a good job of reproducing deep bass sounds for a laptop. Likewise, voices sound good and can be heard precisely in great detail. This means that the most important frequency ranges for games are covered. So overall, I'd say the speakers are well above average for a laptop. The display on the Acer Nitro 17 is excellent both for gaming and for media consumption. The laptop features a 17.3-inch QHD IPS 165Hz panel with a 100% sRGB coverage. The panel has good color reproduction and accuracy, excellent sharpness due to being QHD, and the 165Hz makes gaming a smooth experience. The contrast ratio is a slight nitpick, which could be better, but other than that, the color accuracy on the panel allows you to edit videos and photos confidently. Another thing is that the gaming experience on this big sharp panel with the 165Hz feels almost as good as playing on a nice gaming monitor due to being big, and all in all, this is one of the better gaming displays out on laptops. Performance on the Acer Nitro 17 is solid as well. Here, you get an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS CPU, 16GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. The specs are really beefy with the Ryzen 7 and RTX 4060 combo, allowing you to game at 2K with a decent frame rate and edit 4K videos and animations as well. You shouldn't face any issues with regular use at all, and you probably won't face any issues throwing just about everything at it. Upgradability is decent, with one extra NVMe slot left free, and opening up the laptop is easy as well. Thermals on the laptop are quite good. Heat is usually at the top of the laptop where your hands wouldn't go, and you won't face any thermal throttling issues on the laptop as well. There is one negative though, and that is the sound emission from the fans, which can be a bit too much on turbo mode. There are 3 performance modes: balanced, performance, and turbo, along with a mode where you are on battery power. The fans are decent on balanced mode, loud on performance, and almost unbearably loud on turbo. Even on the battery mode, the fans seem audible to a certain extent, but that is the only negative in terms of power and performance here. The battery life on this is really good for a gaming laptop and is probably up there with the best. On medium usage or very basic use, the laptop is able to last for around 8 hours on a single charge, which is seriously impressive considering the size and power on this. Gaming on the laptop will reduce this battery life to about 2 to 3 hours depending on the game, but that is still seriously impressive if you compare it to other laptops. So the final verdict for the Acer Nitro 17 is that for around $1,200, this is a powerhouse laptop with a good value for money. Other than the build, almost every main aspect here is top quality, and even the build isn't that much of a negative in my opinion. If you're considering a laptop around this price that will allow you to game and edit, this is a solid option worth considering. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.